This is Calvin, the compliance cow, with my good friend and colleague Stu, the security squirrel. How's it going?
Having an utterly nutty day, my friend.
Very funny.
Well, we're not just here to chew the cud, Calvin.
That's right. We're here to talk about two things that are much more important than my four stomachs.
Security.
And compliance.
Did you know Kiteworks-enabled private content networks allow you to manage that risk by unifying, tracking, controlling, and securing all those communications in one platform?
I didn't know that, but I do know that you can find out how by booking a custom-tailored demo with Kiteworks by clicking the demo button at the top of the screen.
Wow, that's easy. Well, this pretty much puts a stake in this video. Get it?
Too soon, Stu.
I think this video was very well done, if you ask me.
That's enough, Stu.